how to add Cash App card to Shein or how to use Cash App on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use your Cash App on Shein to buy products, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you have your Cash App card or maybe your Cash App balance and maybe you just want to make the transaction to buy with Cash App on the Shein app, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Shein shopping application over here. And I'm sure you already know how to add the products to your cart and so on, so assuming you've already done that, just head over to your cart section and then just make sure to go ahead and then basically add a product that you might want to buy to your cart over here. Once you actually make sure to add the product that you want to buy to your cart, I just want you to tap them the add to cart section here, and then I want you to simply head over to checkout. Once you head over to checkout, after entering a shipping method, you're going to be taken to this payment method option, and under payment method you can see PayPal, credit, debit card, and you have all this Venmo, Google Pay and so on. And if you want to use Cash App Pay, you have Cash App Pay option over here, and that's simply it. Once you select Cash App over here, you can tap on continue to payment option. It will open up your Cash App application or maybe the Cash App web browsing, and then you have to authorize the transaction. Once you authorize the transaction, then you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then make this transaction and use Cash App on the Shein app. This way you can basically use Cash App on Shein. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.